kommer fram.
Oj, tryck. Oj, jävlar vad det leker. Oj, tryck. Leo. Wow. Vad fan är det? What is this? It's just... Oh. GT, ja? Shit. Stress too much, huh? Oh. GT. Oh! Oh, yay! It's big one. First throw of the day and one fish.
Good one. You will get more. What do you like the new popper?
Yeah, it's good, huh?
We didn't see in action yet.
No. I hope I'm filming. Let's see what we have. Yeah, could be. Not too big. Let's see. Coming up. It's go very far down, huh? Oh, it's coming. Okay. Giant trevally.
No, it's GT.
Giant trevally.
GT.
Yeah, giant trevally. Okay. Come.
3 kilo GT.
Yeah. No problem. Okay. So very nice one. Hey, first one, huh? Oh, that's a big one, huh? Oh.